And away we go. Okay, so that's one revolution. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Paul, and in today's video, we got just a quick one for you. We're gonna verify the gear in Sally's GT, and in doing so, you're gonna learn how to verify your own gear. So let's go. Actually, before we get started, why don't we take a look at the underside of Sally's GT. So I'm going to flip the camera and then we'll start on the gear. All right, so here's the underside of Sally's GT. It is pretty clean. There is a little bit of surface rust here and there, obviously on the drive shaft and the rear diff, but that's somewhat normal depending on where and how you store your vehicle, but no big deal. I'll clean that up and yeah, make it look new. No subframe connectors yet, so we're gonna add some of those on, and yeah, just make little tweaks. You guys can see somebody put some flow masters at some point. You know, I'm gonna get rid of the dog bone and just make little changes. So that's it. Not much to see under here. Now we'll verify her gear. And of course, I got my boy here, Rock. He's always watching my 6, right, bud? Is that Marcus? Is it? Okay, so let's get back to the gear. The drive shaft's already been marked, so I'm just going to center it, and then we're going to chalk the wheel or mark the tire here. Hopefully that shows up on the camera. Okay, yeah, you guys can see that. And basically it's pretty simple to verify your gear. We're just looking for this mark to do a complete revolution one time around and end up in this spot. And we're just going to count how many times this drive shaft turns, and that determines your gear ratio on the back. So for example, Sally's car should have a 273 gear. So we're looking for the mark to do 2 full revolutions plus 3/4 of a turn. So this mark should end up on this side here, and that would be your 273. And then so on and so forth. If it had a 308 in it, it would end up pretty close to back to this position again, 3 full revolutions. And then same thing, 355, it would be 3 full revolutions, and then the mark would end up on the top side. So anyhow, let's give it a shot. 273, and away we go. Okay, so that's one revolution. That's 2. And we're back to where we marked it, and we're bang on the 3/4 point. So confirmed, Sally's GT is a whopping 273 gear. Kind of figured that we had the 273 gears. That's what the car should have in it, but never hurts to confirm and check. So we've confirmed, and we're gonna switch those out. We have a set of 373 gears. We have an aluminum drive shaft. I'll get rid of the dog bone like I usually do, and that alone will make a big difference. Jumping from a 273 to a 373, it'll really wake up the car, especially with it being automatic. All right, that's it for today, guys. It was just a quick little video. Like I said, want to verify Sally's gear. And before we wrap up here, I just want to give a shout out to my buddy Dio. Check out his Facebook group, Be a Man Foxbody Club. It's growing like a weed, and it's a great group. So check it out. I'll drop in the link in the video description. Other than that, don't forget to check out our merch store. We also have our channel memberships for you to check out. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know that we appreciate your support, watch time, hanging out with us on our live streams. So we'll see you here again on Paul the Fox.